Good morning friends, welcome to all of you in our YouTube channel Doorstep Garden. Today friends, I am going to make the video on Philodendron Pluto. You can see it's a Philodendron Pluto. It's a very good house plant and it requires very less amount of care. And I have approx 50 plants before 1 year back, and now all sold out, only 7 to 8 plants in my hand now. And from last 1 year the plant potted in 5-inch plastic pot in coco peat and other nutritional value like compost, cow dung compost, etc. But after 1 year this potting mix have no food are there, so that the all plants stop their growth finally. And today I am going to report these all plants to new potting mix, and at the last of the video I am going to show you the result, that which potting mix I was used and which result I have taken. And after see the result, you also will be just speechless. It's a guarantee. So please stay with the video. Friends, now I have taken 40% of coco peat and coconut husk mix, 30% of pure kitchen waste compost, and 30% of rice husk. It provides good root aeration. And now I am going to take half teaspoon of dolomite powder, because of dolomite powder maintain the pH level of the soil, and its pH level means it's reduce the acidity of the soil, and dolomite powder is the good source of calcium. And each and every foliage plants, they love calcium, so you have to must mix dolomite powder half teaspoon in 8-inch or 6-inch pot. Now friends, I am going to report all Philodendron Pluto to 8-inch plastic pot. And now I am going to remove all previous old potting mix, because of they don't have any nutritional value. These all plants planted in this 5-inch pot approx before 1 year back, and in this 1 year they taken up all food sources from this pot, and the total media is now foodless, so all plants stopped their growth fully. Now friends, I am going to report this plant in this 8-inch pot. Friends, you can also cut up the extra root from the plants. Friends, at the end of the video I will going to show you the result. Because of this potting mix, already I had applied on this 2 Philodendron Pluto plant, and after 3 months I have received the result. And which result I receive, when I will show you the result at the end of the video, then you will be totally in shock. It's guaranteed. So please stay with us. Repotting is complete, and now I am going to serve the water. One more thing, friends, you have to keep in always in your mind that philodendron plants love moist condition in their root system. So you have to always moist their potting mix. Never let their potting mix fully dry. And one more thing, friends, the philodendron plant, you have to keep them in bright light condition. Now friends, the time is come, and now I am going to show you the result. Because of I had already applied the same potting mix on my 2 Philodendron Pluto plant approx before 3 months back, and after 3 months you can see that which result I have received. You can see the plant and plant's leaf. Plant's leaf goes approx triple, and the small plant turned into a giant size. You can see and imagine. You can see the plant size and leaf size. It's a giant one after 3 months. On this same potting mix I had used, and I am going to show you the another plant. So friends, now you can imagine that after 3 months which result I have received. Both plants are turns into a giant size, and I had already applied the same potting mix and same 8-inch pot, and after 3 months this is the today's plant which I have just reported, and you can see the difference between them. The both plants turns into a giant size. And always keep them in bright light place. Don't keep them in fully indoor. And you can see that this is my palm size, and more 3 palm have to arrange to reach the leaf size. So friends, hope the video will be helpful to you. If you like the video, then please give one like, and new viewers, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.